What is up? Or what is good according to my friend for his intro. I haven't done a Forza video in a while, and I customized this new car, and it says Thug, like, if you can see that there's words on it, there's that, and it says Thug Life across it, because it just looks like a cool car to put that as. See, pure Thug Life, crash right into him and keep on going. It's called a hit and run, people. Don't do hit and runs. But, sorry about that. Like I was saying, I haven't done one of these videos in a while. And so we're just gonna blare through it and hopefully you guys enjoy it. So I don't know where we should go. I would have played Black Ops 2 and done some trolling with my friend. That was the original idea. But he got off Xbox and it was disconnecting me from Xbox Live for some reason. I have it, but it kept disconnecting me. Really annoying. Presents the wind tunnel, alright. Biplane Beatdown, alright. Ooh, what's this? Look at that Ford challenge. I got a Ford. I have a Ford. I have an Apple. Ford Apple. I have a pen. I have an apple. Apple pen. I'm used to singing pen apple, apple, apple. Whoa. I can't sing it. Alright, I'm gonna change cars, see what cars I have that are Fords. Dodge, not it. Ooh, we got that as a Ford, my Mustang. That's a Ford, Ferrari, Lamborghini, Camaro, GTR, Bugatti. Alright, so we have two cars. How much money do we got? We have enough to buy a new car. We have 200 and, okay, the screen cuts it off, but 236,962 monies. Yeah, monies. That's what it's called. They should change it to that so it's easier to say. Alright. Ford. Did I pass it? No? Okay. Ford. Nothing I want. I don't want to spend a whole bunch of money though. Should I buy the Shelby? The Shelby? Or should we buy a new Ferrari? You know, vroom vroom, little vroom vroom. Little vroom there, vroom there. We can almost buy the Spider. Spider is so nice. I used to have it. Yeah. And then I had to switch to Xbox One. And all that dookie-de-dook. Should we get the Ferrari California? That one. Or that. Or that. Huh. Wait. These look almost exactly alike, just one is skinnier. I'm going to look at the stats, alright. 453, 500. Okay, we're going for this one. Alright. Whatever has more horsepower, I'll get. So, I'm going to find a race as soon as I find it. I don't want to do this one. How many laps is it? Well, it doesn't tell you. Great. I hope you guys can hear that music. Right. Looks like we're gonna do that one, fellas. Look, it's a GoPro view. Alright, let's drive in GoPro view. That way I'm vlogging while playing a video game. Yeah, smart. See, this is what YouTubers don't think of, is they don't vlog while play games. See, I just made a new discovery. Alright, I should probably slow down. I also want to show you, alright, I'm going to show you a cool trick real quick. I need to go on this person though first. My friend showed me this, and I don't know if I've shown it in any other videos, but it's amazing. I may have. No. keep going. Don't remember what exactly road it is, so we're gonna have to do some experimenting. Oh no! Ooh, new behind fine. I wonder what's in there. Alright, shall we go? I feel like it's right here, because on my map there's like a little dugout section, so we're just gonna boom. Alright, we're gonna get in my Bugatti, get there real fast, nice and slick and fashiony style. Alright.
So how's it going?
Going pretty good. Thanks for asking. I kind of want to drive like a Lamborghini though. But I am loyal to my Bugatti friends. And my Bugatti friends are loyal to me. That's how it works in the world. You're loyal, they're loyal. Treat others how you want to be treated. The one problem I have with these windows is I have the reinforced bar on it. So then, with my tinted windows, it looks like that. It looks cool, but it gets annoying. Lego. Listen to the music while I'm driving. Oh, I think it's this road. No? Yes? Maybe? So? Nope. Alright. Yep, already on it. Move it or lose it, Granny. Jeez. I'm such a pro driver. Ooh, look at this proness! Alright, let's collect them points, 21,000. Ooh! Ha! Oh no, they still got my speed. That's bad. Too bad, don't care about your showcases. Turned off my music, I hate you. Never turn off my music. Oh, I think this is the barn. I can't see, nope. Wait, isn't there, yeah, the barn's right there. Alright. See that, guys? See that? See that? Let's get it! Isn't that the barn? Yeah, this is the barn. Look at that old rust bucket in there. That's the barn.
Yes, sir. You have surpassed yourself this time. This is the classic racing legend.
It's a Jaguar.
The Jaguar.
Ooh, knew it.
Don't you worry, old girl. I'll have you back to your 1955 glory in no time.
Alright, 1955 Jaguar. Let's go. We're gonna vroom, 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 vroom real hard. We're gonna party. Woo! Alright. I also want to show you another thing. Since we're in bunker. Alright. So, you know, you're playing Infected there's walls, like you can't get out from here and stuff. Like there's walls right where I'm driving. So like you can't get out this road because there's a wall there. Well, see, when you're playing bunker, this is the same friend showed me this that showed me the other thing I was going to show you is get a slim car, go bam, and then go like that, and usually you'll do it if you have a slim car like this. This, like the Bugatti, the one I'm using, works every time for me, but I've been doing it so many times. So we're gonna go over here. Wait, hold on. Oh, fine, we'll do that one. A tree block. Oh, there's a rock. Can't call me an idiot. We've all done it. Don't try to deny it. We've all done it. Sit back and enjoy the ride. Oh, hold up. Head itch. Alright. From GoPro view. I hate this view. It makes me sick. Oh god. No. Imagine if this was in VR. If it was in VR, oh, I'd be puking right now. I really want a VR headset so I can do videos on that. That'd be so fun. Is this it? No, that's not it. It's the next one up. Bang! Bang! Found it! Nope, can't turn there. Ooh, shortcut. Alright. Gotta pull up like a boss.
You're not allowed to enter that car into this event. You need to select another.
Alright, they do this. There you go. Y'all ready for this? Alright. We're gonna win this. Get some money. Gonna go buy that car. Hopefully. No. They have an Audi R8 in here. Come on, that's just not fair. You know what? Quit race. We're gonna buy that Audi. We're gonna race it. We're gonna do it in style. We're gonna win. Excuse me. We're gonna buy a new car. We're gonna buy the nicest, fastest car we can see. Oh, maybe he was racing that. Or, no, he was using the coupe. Alright. Why a Land Rover? Why a Cherokee? Come on. Alright, should we get the coupe? Or that? I don't want a Bentley, I hate that car. Right. We're gonna get the coupe. It looks like a cut-off version of the R8. Looks like a mini Cooper version of the R8. That's nice. Toggle view. Ooh. We're gonna get it like that. Alright. How many tokens do I got? I don't have any tokens. Alright. Now we'll just have to do 4, 5 street races worth 25,000 in order to get the Ferrari. That's the Spider. Come on, load. Load, slowpoke. Oh, never mind. Who am I calling slowpoke when I'm the slowpoke? Alright, let's start race. Beat Allie Howard. Hey, there's a guy on YouTube called Allie A. Probably should have looked at the car stats before I bought this thing. You know what? Never mind. I'm good to go. Sometimes I can feel it. Yeah. Woo! Passed you. I'm gonna pass you like I pass gas. Whoa! Just gonna, kind of start from here, slow down. But I am going to pass these fools just like I pass gas. Which, alright. That was a clever joke. I gotta admit. Alright, there's 3 laps of this slow car. Oh, this is gonna take forever. Sorry, Patrick. Traffic cones. I don't know what you guys call them, but I call them I call traffic cones Patrick. For Patrick Star. Because there's this one episode of SpongeBob where they're trying to get the rest of the people into the Krusty Krab that haven't ate there before because Mr. Krabs is mad about that. And so they get on the highway and they stop a huge truck by Patrick turning into a traffic cone and putting himself in front of the truck. They cause a huge traffic jam on the freeway. And it's just, but that's why they remind me of Patrick. Whenever I see a traffic cone, Patrick Star, right in my heart, boy. Watched him in my undies when I was little, and I still watch him sometimes today. You my boy. He my boy. Let's finish these fools. Never mind. Alright, we're gonna have to tweak this. Like, it's a nice car. Ain't it? Alright. Woo! I wiped out big time. I think I'm gonna finish this race. And then end the video off there. Who knows? Oof. I'm out of breath because I was running up and down the stairs. And running around my house to feed the animals. Alright, we're gonna win this, no doubt. No doubt. Full speed, fast and furious. GoPro, we're gonna finish this race off in a GoPro view. That's how tempted I am to win this race. I'm willing to risk it for a GoPro. Ugh, God, this makes me sick. Gotta hit that. Oh, hey, speaking of GoPro. Oh, sorry, Patrick. Oh, sorry, car. If I will have not slowed. Wait, hold on. I believe. I can truly do it. Yeah. Alright. Shall we finish this off? Yay! First place. First place. First.
The more I watch you race, the more I'm convinced you've got what it takes.
Woo! Hey, we just got a new wristband.
You ready to move up a tier? I'll be at Race Central. Drop by to pick up your blue wristband.
Alright, we're gonna go. No, I'm not. I'm staying in that thing. Alright, we're gonna go pick that up. Alright, real quick, we're gonna soup this car up. We're gonna go vroom, 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 vroom. No. Alright. Ooh.
You beat me in the championships, bro, but that ain't no true test of skill. Let's see who's really the best. Out on the streets, I'll be waiting.
Alright. So, we're gonna go fast travel there. We're gonna do this quick. We're gonna accept that challenge of a challenger. We're gonna beat the crap out of him. We're gonna pin him on the ground with our bang, 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 bang. Woo! Out of the blue.
Well done. This blue wristband means you're the festival.
I do not promote violence, by the way. Alright, look at me getting my blue wristband. Yeah. My Bugatti in my background. Yeah. Alright, excuse me. We're gonna go over there. We're gonna race this guy. We're gonna win. And we're gonna get his car.
Good news. Everything is finished
Ooh,
on that.
hold on. He can wait a minute.
Come on in and collect it.
Ooh. Alright. Allie can wait a minute. Ready to collect. Alright, let's take a look at this bad boy. Bad boy.
Yeah. This little roadster's been turning heads for
Alright.
50 years. One of Jaguar's finest models ever. Let's keep her pretty for another
Ooh.
few decades.
Let's keep her pretty for another few decades. Man, you cray. Oof. Camera's about to die. I really gotta get this race going. No, I'm in this car. Come on. Trying to be mean to me on purpose? Alright, we're getting this whenever I do street races, GTR. Because I'm better at street racing with GTRs than my Bugatti. Alright, my golden. I did this skin myself, so you can't buy it off of the store. If you have this game, you can't buy it off. Well, I'm sure you could, just it wouldn't be as cool as a Moaz. Alright. Like, get it. Oh god, I hate left side. See, I can't drive left side. Alright, we're gonna get over there, we're gonna do this. Alright. Speed limit 25, and I'm going 80. Look at that dude. Look at this dude. Alright.
Your car isn't eligible for this event, but you have one in your garage that is, if you want to enter.
Man, that's stupid. Alright, Diablo it is. We're gonna beat him. We're gonna whoop his butt like his daddy. Like, you know, whenever you get in trouble, it's spank. Alright. Ooh, look at these cars. I want that car. I'm gonna get that car. Alright, let's get in racing mode, guys. Oh, let's rev them engines. Oh god, he's quite faster than my Diablo. You know, holy crap! Did you guys see that? I rear-ended him and that car is so high that my car went straight under it. Alright, I have a new advantage now. I have a really big advantage. Possibly one that I may overuse. I can just go right under him, literally. I'm right under his nose and he doesn't even know it. Oh, get it? Wordplay. Oh. Wow, I sound like a rich snob right now. Oh. Oh. I laugh at you scabby dogs. Oh. Living in apartments. Oh. God, I hate those people. They're so rich, they always like, oh, I laugh at your puny little house. Ooh, he's catching. Nice one, Gage. Too busy talking about rich people. Something I'll never be. Oh, we gotta turn. We gotta turn. Oh, no. Oh, don't like that turn. That turn always gets me. even though I don't remember it, but you know. Go. Hey, look! Oh. Bye, geyser. Now, if this could be just a straight road, I can win this easily. But, you know, with my luck, it ain't gonna be straight. Huh. I'm straight as a circle. I'm as straight as a circle, guys. Yep. Hey, look at that. Should I wait for it? No, don't wait. Maybe. Oh, that was so close. 12,000 plus a car. That's like 60 grand.
I can't believe I lost my slip, yo. Easy come, easy go.
Do I want to get into this car? Yeah, boy. Man, I'm gonna get in. Alright. Let's test drive this bad boy. Oh, what's that? What's that? You gotta... Huh. Looks pretty good. Woo! Sick burnout. Bad launch, but sick burnout. How'd it do? Did good. Alright. But if you guys like that episode, you should show some support. Oh, what happened? Okay. Press the wrong button. And show some support. I will do another video. And yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say for the end of the video. But look at that beautiful car.